So I will share 3 ways to xanthelasma removal at home. Cholesterol spots or deposit that you can notice around your eyes, on one or foot that you will underneath your skin, usually in the inner of the upper eyelids. They are also known as xanthelasma. Here is the best home remedies to remove xanthelasma. Number 1 is garlic. Garlic is most important to remove xanthelasma at home. Slice of the garlic cloves or crush a few garlic cloves to make up the paste. Apply it to give effectiveness area and cover it with gauze so the garlic does not get into your eyes. Just leave it 10 to 20 minutes, then washing with warm water. Repeat once daily for a few days. Alternatively, garlic it to a fry powder. Add a little water to form a paste and apply it to be effective area. Leave it for 1 hour before washing it off. Do this swelling until you get the good results. Number 2 is onions. Extract the onion juice for 1 onion. Add little salt to head set it to a salt for a cup or salt before going to bed. Apply it to the affected area and burn it overnight. Before morning, washing the areas with warm water. Repeat it daily. Also mix 2 tablespoons of onion juice in a glass of water and drink it daily. Number 3 is banana peels. Cut out a small piece of a banana peels. Carefully place the inside part of the peels. One of the cholesterol deposits. Use the bandage to secure the peels. Leave it overnight. Every morning, wash the areas of peels. Repeat it overnight. I hope you will enjoy with this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more amazing watching videos.